Tebia, a growing year. Chasaminam Kwasoban, Yasan me said, reminding me on my water bill. But Johnny water bill
220 MMDCEs who have served between 2017 and 2024 during the tenure of the immediate past NPP administration.
And the said Empanifo Eka said your food ya pa ena ye piano no. Santi so ko piemu ewe MPP mu a sesia ne de said obia elbo ne homodren eye Kennedy Agyapong one eye Dr. Buwumia for eye presidential candidate a sesia no NPP for mu a mo pese omo yi ne early na omo tumi a promote eye omo candidate no sesia no obia eye campaigning na enda de obeka ya eye Kennedy Agyapong o committee eye MMC for said yan kombe support no abusunya na ende MMC for nso mu a omo hwe de wi Buwumia obo ne homodren ewo party mu ntiri omo support the support eye Dr. Buwumia enti ende omo the press conference share so abusunya omo mu a ende ne de omo confirm say omo support eye Dr. Buwumia abusunya ababeka yensa ewo ha se na asasem ne ba ye no so ye de nsem bi nso e de aka ho eye Ghana teachers training for no so omo de nsem bi de ababeto dwa abusunya omo mu a John Dramani Mahama over 10 months ni omo katu a wasan komo saka abusunya omo embaye enti ende omo so de ye kire bi ahyehyɛ so abusunya ababeka yensa ho ha se abusunya ababehwɛ ni nyina de ekoso ewo ho ene eye John Dramani Mahama ne side abusunya ha eye GH Kobi Media, so say ni oba so a oba subscribe to your channel no. Send update bi anso etomu a onso onsa ebeka bi. Na wa share ato other platforms so ede amaye. Endi abusuan panifo kan say bi say your food ya pa ene ye piano. Ena obi opese oba abrabo ekokotoko ne de sa nipa kro ne ye na bro. Endi MMC for H mu a omo de omo hu de eye Dr. Buwumia waye ene de opese we de oil wa Ghana enti omo de omo yindo ose no. Say de na amanfo bi H mu say Kennedy Agyapong ebe meeti wo mo no omo a support eye Kennedy ne de omo kyeremu a ende enyampa into omo endorse eye Dr. Buwumia over 224 MMC ende omo endorse eye doctor into na di ababeto dwa ende na before no yenko na enkohwe di ekoso ewo eye teachers training for no omo kyeremu a John Dramani Mahama onye no ntu omo ka no yes yenko na enkotie di eye ekoso ye wi a yebeti asimu ewo eye Dr. Buwumia one Kennedy Agyapong omo sensemi ye wi a be kwakotie ni na ye ni kan entie de ekoso ewo this side
oh enya se bia o eye agro bi ne yeji o hwesaminam Kwasoban ya me said they are reminding me on my water bill me dwane water bill ma afede de send me SMS ade na ma ye sem between sem ye teacher ni ana ade na ma ye me bone ne say sister Friday na monthly me receive me salary say be ya me to me dey to me bills it's say because me to me kira dey because accommodate me message dey akira dey o abira accommodate me why put me dey bufo akobo obi bampo e dey epra no onya akobo obi so agi yes so no wa amane disi ayenya dey e say ye bone ne say choose be teacher say na say dey ade to omo do mo kan kira ye say omo pese adwuma ne be bi omo do mo kan kira ye ne yon kofie because the omo ya ne dey anu odin say time at post obi man so obi kuro mo unu obi a ho ja ma me no papa wo na wa boti obi ma so na akwam ojew akwam
abusua de etwa gu eye teachers trainings 2022 for no yes and omo nso ende omo asole anese for no edi kogu ye no and omo nso apagya mu no yes abusua na me de obaako a oka say ne water bill kro ntumi ntua da de ma ne message no say ne aban de oka kra ye na wo so utu aban sika what you say abusua ma ye nkone nkotie de ekoso ye Dr. Alhaji Buwumia ne side eye MMC for ayindo se no abusua abeka yensan yenkotie de ekoso ho abra Dr. Alhaji Buwumia emiti wo mo no yentie de ekoso.
The Forum for Former MMDCEs for Buwumia. We are a forum of 220 MMDCEs who have served between 2017 and 2024 during the tenure of the immediate past NPP administration. At this time, that the party has announced the election of flag bearer on the 31st of January 2026, we deem it important to let the rank and file of our party know our thinking and our observations as we choose a leader for the 2028 elections. Following extensive consultation with all aspirants, and after a thorough assessment of their vision, their competence, and commitment to the NPP progress, we are convinced beyond any reasonable doubt that Dr. Mahmoud Buwumia is the best candidate to lead the NPP today. Today, 220 former MMDCEs, comprising men and women who have served at the grassroots level with dedication, have signed onto this declaration, pledging not just our votes, but our time, our resources, and energy to mobilize, to campaign, and deliver a massive support for Dr. Mahmoud Buwumia's candidacy. Yes. Our endorsement is not merely symbolic. It is a strategic and operational commitment, with 95% of us having previously served as either constituency or regional executives, some for over 16 years. We possess an intimate understanding of the MPP's structures, dynamics, and electoral needs. We will deploy this experience to ensure Dr. Buwumia's message resonates in every corner of Ghana. Why our endorsement stands out? Please, the number is one. Your friend, Honorable Ebrezado, may a bind nam sidi dada ewa denta. Na the American say, "Yay, MMDC is a share we ye nipa be 220 more than I knew any aduonu. Ye other parliamentary presidential aspirants in if you ever see Dr. Mahmoud Buwumia, ye can say, "Yay, nipa ya ye kasa ewie no." Ye say, "Ye the yahon doing any bibia ebe Dr. Mahmoud Buwumia at the time I call presidential primaries in January 2026. Yes, say, yes, the Hawaii, ewo amayimua. Now already no over 41% be a dahwa. Yet the yepe ebeka emiako dinkunim in 2028. A year change say Gakophobia or starting from ground zero. Ye can also say, ye the yahon thing, ye nyansa, ye sika, ni ye bibia betanachi, ewo have various constituencies. Now, you did say a title of Mahmoud Buwumia, and no idea about what party, because you should the papa na ye, you should not dream at the see a crown. Nay, the Kakro Babakan. Now, you did say, or no, you'll be about Boya going to 2028. Yadamasi, Yamisha Munina. Nice one, honorable.
We are smelling power.
So you think you're coming back in 2028?
Smelling power.
Are you coming back in 2028?
We are coming seriously. Yeah, but seriously. Yeah, but seriously.
What are you going to do differently? What are you going to start against this time around?
Oh, like my presidential candidate explained. Yeah, but because President Tibia hand over man or contested. And that's not happened from 1992 up to date. So Mama is going to hand over to Buwumia. Believe me.
What are you going to do differently as a party so that Ghanaians will be willing to give you power?
To the grassroots.
What are you going to explain? If you are supposed to explain something to my audience now, what are you going to tell them?
People didn't vote. And this time around, I'm back to about because of look at what is going on in Ghana.
What is going on?
Oh, the hardship.
There's hardship in Ghana.
Look what Mama is doing.
There's hardship in Ghana.
This is doing. They bet 2-1. Seriously.
I mean, I want to understand. We said there's hardship in Ghana.
Yes, seriously.
Where's the hardship?
There's ongoing Galamsey. Every constituency chairman is doing Galamsey. And people are watching them.
You know this for a fact?
I know them. I know that I can mention more and mention more and mention more.
We'll be glad to know them.
Yes. This is not a time. I'll get back to you. Okay.
Mommy, does this mean you're endorsing Dr. Buwumia?
Of course, yes. Why not? We are. You didn't be copium. You didn't call. You didn't call. Once Mahama had never him, yes. Why not? We'll take him again.
This is Dr. Buwumia and born more in the previous election. It's the other number in the baby.
Report when the casa. Report be on casa. Report be anywhere casa. I dear Nima name. Nidiam Bem. And the Neko, ever sang Nakobium.
2024. No. We have some money, Dr. Buwumia. More numbers.
Nana de ekoso awoye Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Buwumia ne camp amanfo omo endorse no yes MMDCE for na yenim se omo ko support Kennedy Agyapong kono abusunya omo nso ababe kiremu a omo kiremu omo support Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Buwumia na me say NPP ewo hope say 2028 ometumi aba power beam because utie di omo kana utumi hu say hope bi ewo ho omo wani da so bi ewo ho say omo betumi aba power na so obeba power de a ene hwan ene wo say obedi wanim abusuya mame hu ewo comment section ho o ye nsu ane de mu na wa subscribe to your channel send update bi anso etomu a onso obenya bi atie na wa share ato other platform so ama foforo so anya bi atie kete wo say enye dodo no nwura makraw bye bye.